In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 1, exercise 12.2, surface area and volume. Observe this question. A solid is in the shape of a cone. What? We are having one solid and that one is in a shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. We are having one solid and that solid is in a shape of what? A cone is standing on hemisphere. So this one is what? Shape of a solid. Clear? With both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. In a solid we are having two solids. In a solid shape, we are having two solids. One is the hemisphere, another one is what? Cone. And radius of a cone and radius of a hemisphere both are what? Equal. With both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. Radius of a cone is what? 1 centimeter and radius of a hemisphere is what? 1 centimeter. So what we can say? Radius of a cone or radius of a hemisphere is what? 1 centimeter. Clear? Another thing we are having, the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Height of a cone. This is the cone and its height. This one is equal to what? Radius of the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Radius of a cone is what? 1 centimeter. So height of the cone will be what? 1 centimeter as per question. Clear? Find the volume of the solid. We want to volume of this solid in terms of y. So simple question. Volume of the solid. The volume of the solid equal to what? In this solid we are having cone and hemisphere. So volume of a cone plus volume of a hemisphere will be what? Volume of the solid. Volume of a cone plus volume of a hemisphere. Once we know the formulas of both solids, cone and hemisphere, then we can easily to find the volume of a given solid. Clear? So what about the volume of a cone? Volume of a cone is the 1/3 of a volume of a cylinder. So 1/3 pi r square h will be what? Volume of a cone. This is the formula of volume of a cone. Plus volume of a hemisphere is what? Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube and half of 4/3 pi r cube will be what? 2/3 pi r cube. Put the values of r and h. Pi we will put as it is. We will not put the pi equal to 22 by 7 because we require answer in terms of pi. So pi will be as it is. We will write 1/3 into pi into r is what? 1 square into h is what? 1 plus 2/3 into pi into r is what? 1 cube. Solve. So what about this one? What about this one? Multiply. 1 square is 1 into 1 into 1. So 1/3 into pi plus in which 1 cube is the 1. So 2/3 pi. Take pi as a common. Then 1/3 plus 2/3. Clear? Now take LCM. 3 is the LCM. 3 divided by 3. One time it is going. And result will be multiplied by numerator 1 plus 3 divided of 3. One time it is going. Result will be multiplied by numerator 2 times. So what we are getting? Pi into 3/3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3. So only pi. And unit will be what? Centimeter cube. Pi centimeter cube will be the volume of this solid. This solid having cone and hemisphere, and radius of a cone and radius of a hemisphere is what? Same, 1 centimeter, and height of a cone is what? Radius of a cone, and it is what? 1 centimeter. Then volume of this one will be what? Volume of a cone plus volume of a hemisphere. Volume of a cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h, plus volume of a hemisphere is what? 2 upon 3 pi r cube. After putting the values of r and h, we are getting what? Pi centimeter cube, and this is what? Required volume of the solid. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.